Guys, we've made it to day 6, halfway through our 12 days of Christmas. Let's jump right into it. Today's gifts will involve a mini white tin pail with Handel's treat. We have so many goodies to choose from, so let's see what we're going to use in these buckets. Now, these tin pails come with a ribbon to tie it off, as well as a little thank you circle note. What I love about the note is that you can write on the back of it any description, whether it be a flavor, it can be a mini recipe, anything. So let's go ahead and get started. Since today is the 6th day, we're going to make 6 of these beautiful mini little buckets. As you know, I love decorative shredding, so before putting our treats in here, we're going to just fluff it up a little bit with red, white, and brown shredding. Now for this treat, I have chosen some delicious hot cocoa spoons, and we have 3 flavors. The first flavor is marshmallows and hot cocoa. The second spoon will be peppermint flavored, and the final spoon will be cinnamon. These spoons can go in any hot cup of cocoa, hot cup of milk, hot cup of water, and even hot cup of eggnog. Disgusting, I know. But that's okay, because there is something for everyone. And since these hot cocoa spoons come pre-packaged, these can go as doorbusters for your family that come in. They can choose their spoon as they come into the house, and then they can later enjoy it, or they can be party favors for your guests once they leave and they can take home. Because they are pre-packaged, that means they can save them for a later date, whether it be days later or a week or 2 later. Either way, these are delicious, quick, easy, and fun items for Christmas. Now, as I mentioned earlier, they do come with thank you tags. The back of the thank you tags can have a cute little note on the back, a recipe, or in this case, we can write each flavor. So if it's peppermint, we can write peppermint on the back. Also, we're going to tie the ribbon to the handle and to the hot cocoa spoon so that it doesn't fall out. So as I mentioned, guys, I will be having a giveaway. You need to watch all 12 videos so you can learn certain clues throughout the series. And then I will have a set of questions at the end of the series. And whoever answers the correct questions and has any other requirements that they need to meet will be entered into the giveaway. I will be giving away 3 amazing Christmas treats that I have created over the series. So stay tuned so you can figure out how to enter and how to win.